Welcome to One Question at a Time, the SAT series. Question number 10. What is the area in square inches of a square if its diagonal is 6 inches? So we know that the two diagonals of a square will intersect at the midpoint of it, and it divides into all equal sections. Also, they are perpendicular. So the diagonal is 6 inches. Half of the diagonal will be 3 inches. Now we see that the two diagonals will cut the square into 4 equivalent parts. I will label it 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just focus on one piece is the right triangle with 2 legs equal. So it's iso triangle. And for the area of one triangle will be equal 1/2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, the first and the second leg of the right triangle. And we have 4 totals. So we multiply by 4. To get the whole area. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. So we have 2 times 3 times 3 is 9. It's 18. E is the right answer. So we see the area of a square, the same thing as the area of 4 pieces. It's the 4 triangle. Instead of using the diagonals informations to find the side of a square and then you lay the normal area of the square is the side square. That will be take time to find the side of the square. In this case, instead of doing that, we divide the square into 4 parts, just like we did. Thank you for participating in this series, and see you next time.